Translate verbal sentences into equations or inequalities. Equation. A mathematical sentence formed by placing the symbol equal sign between two expressions. Inequality. A mathematical sentence formed by placing one of the symbols less than or equal to, greater than or equal to between two expressions. Open sentences. An equation or an inequality that contain an algebraic expression. Solution of an equation. A number that, when substituted for the variable is an equation, results in a true statement.
Expressing open sentences. Symbol, meaning, is equal to. The associated word is the same as. Symbol is less than. The associated word is fewer than. Symbol is less than or equal to. The associated word is at most or no more than. Symbol is greater than. The associated word is more than. Symbol is greater than or equal to. The associated word is at least or no less than.
Note, when you say 5 less than 10, you're really saying take 5 away from 10, or 10 subtract 5, or 10 subtract 5, which translate to 10 to 5. So it is important to reverse that order on the numbers. If you don't, then you end up with a completely different number. So let's do a sentence like 10 plus 6 times a number to equal to 5 less than the number. Now pick out the keywords. The keywords are, in the sentence is 10 plus 6 times a number is equals to 5 less than the number. The keywords plus times a number is equal to, less than, and the number. Now replace the underlined keywords with their corresponding symbol or variable, and the equation is, now replace the underlined keywords with their corresponding symbol or variable. The equation is 10 divided by 6 times the number of x equals x minus 5. So our translated equation is 10 divided by 6x equals x minus 5. Now let's solve for x. 10 divided by 6x is equals to x minus 5. Starts with the given equation. 6x minus 6x is equals to x minus 5 minus 10. Subtract 10 from the both sides. And the equation is 6x minus x equals to 5 minus 10. Subtract x from the both sides. 5x equals to negative 5 minus 10. Combine the like terms on the left side. And 5x equals to negative 15. Combine the like terms on the right side. X equals to negative 15 over 5 divided by both sides by 5 to isolate x. Negative 15 divided by 5 is negative 3. The answer is x is equals to negative 3.
Writing an equation or an inequality. Number 1. The sum of 3 times a number a and 4 is 25. Verbal sentence example number 2. The quotient of a number x, and 4 is a fewer than 10. Verbal sentence example number 3. A number n is greater than 6 and less than 12. Sometimes, two inequalities are combined. For example, the inequalities A is less than B and B is less than C can be combined to form inequality A less than B less than C.
7x negative 8 equals to 9. You will substitute 7x by 7 quantity of 2. Therefore, 7 quantity of 2 negative 8 equals to 9. Conclusion is 6 is not equal to 9. This is not compatible, so 2 is not the solution. 4 plus 5y less than 18. You will substitute 5y by 5 quantity of 2. Therefore, 4 plus 5 quantity of 2 less than 18. Conclusion is 14 less than 18. So 2 is a solution. 6n negative 9 is greater than or equal by 2. You will substitute 6n by 6 quantity of 2 or 6 quantity of 2 negative 9 is greater than or equal. So 3 is greater than or equal by 2. So 2 is a solution.
Check whether the given number is a solution of the equation or inequality. So here is the first given solution. 6r plus 1 is equals to 25. R substitute to 4. Therefore, the solution is 6, the quantity of 4 plus 1 is equals to 25. Therefore, 24 plus 1 is equals to 25. 25 is equals to 25. They are the equal solution. The second given is x squared negative 5 is greater than 10. X is equals to 5. So the solution is x substitute to 5, therefore 5 squared negative 5 less than 10. 25 minus 5 less than 10, so 20 is equals to 10, therefore 20 less than 10.
(18 minus x is equals to 10). 18 minus one number equals 10. Solution 8. Check. 18 minus 8 is equals to 10. Third equation, 7a is equals to 56. 7 times what number equals 56? Solution 8. Check. 7 times 8 is equals to 56.